Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's lecture, we will explain a very serious viral disease called polio, also known as poliomyelitis. You will learn how this virus spreads, how it attacks the nervous system, and how we can prevent it through vaccination. So let's get started. So first of all, we will discuss what is polio. So polio is a viral infection disease that mainly affect children under the age of 5 years. It targets the nervous system and in severe cases can cause paralysis. So what exactly causes this disease? Let's find out. So the culprit behind this disease is the poliovirus, a small RNA virus that belongs to the Picornavirus family. It usually enters the body through the mouth and start multiplying in the intestine. Now, you might wonder, how does it reach from intestine to the rest of the body? Let's move to the next slide to understand that. So polio spreads through the fecal oral route, which means the virus leave one person's body through feces and enter another person through contaminated food or water. Poor sanitation and hygiene make it easier for the virus to travel. After entering the body, the virus doesn't stop here. It begins to attack on the nervous system. Let's see how. So, once the virus multiplies in the intestines, it moves into the bloodstream and then reaches the spinal cord and brain. Here it attacks and destroys motor neurons, the nerve cells responsible for muscle movement. When these neurons die, the muscle become weak or paralyzed, especially in the legs. Now that we know how the polio affects the body, let's talk about how we can recognize it. The symptoms. Symptoms of polio start mildly from fever, tiredness, and muscle pain, which can look like a normal viral infection. But in some cases, the virus reaches the spinal cord, leading to paralysis that can be permanent. The good news is polio can be prevented. Let's look at how. The most powerful weapon against the polio is vaccination. The oral polio vaccine, also known as OPV, builds immunity and protects children from infection. Along with vaccination, maintaining cleaning and drinking safe water are key steps in prevention. But what if someone still gets infected? Let's talk about the treatment. Unfortunately, there is no medicine that kills the polio virus. Once it infects a person, doctor provides supportive care like physical therapy and muscle exercise to help the patient recover and prevent permanent disability. However, thanks to the vaccination efforts, polio is being rare. Let's see how the world is fighting to end it completely. Through worldwide vaccination programs, most countries have successfully eliminated polio, but Pakistan and Afghanistan still faces challenges due to limited access and misinformation. Health workers continued their effort to vaccinate every child so one day the world can be completely free from polio. So to sum up, polio is a dangerous viral disease that affects the nervous system, but it completely preventable through the vaccination. Every child must receive the polio drops because prevention is always better than cure. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more biology lessons made simple. See you in the next lecture. Till then, stay safe and keep learning.